Hello everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. We are looking out 2 BHK sample apartment of phase 2 which got sold out. So I'm showing it to you so that you'll get an idea how a 2 BHK apartment will look like in Jodi Apartment, the Jodi unit. Allow that's a different configuration, that is 1092 and this is 904. First let us finish off this and then we will talk about phase 2 and the phase 3 pricing, and we'll close the video. So we have entered living area, kitchen, open kitchen, then we have the utility space, then dining and the master bedroom with attached washroom to it. So they sold with a very attractive price for phase 1 and phase 2 for this unit. We have a proper standard balcony, then we have another room with attached washroom to it. So the hint what I would like to give you the customers in phase 3, so the kitchen, this straight kitchen you will not get it in phase 3. It's a L-shaped kitchen. So a lot of customer needs L-shaped kitchen, right? So since here we have a straight kitchen, only the straight one, but that's a little box type. The L-shaped kitchen you will be getting in phase 3. 1092 square feet, it's a Jodi unit, right? You may contact us. Property price starts from 59.99 lakhs. Prices will, you may contact us. We'll give you further details on the pricing or what will be the all-inclusive price and all the different features of the unit and other things. We'll be talking over the phone. You may reach us. We'll share our contact number. Thank you so much for watching us, everybody. Have a nice day. Stay safe.